Welcome to Chapter 7, Section 2. In this section, we will be covering on how to choose a domain name, DreamHost, and WordPress and how they work together, installing a theme, as well as configuring the general settings in WordPress. So let's talk a bit first about what exactly is a domain name. A domain name is a common name that everyday people can use to reach a website instead of remembering the internet address. The internet address of a website is called the IP address, which is just a unique combination of numbers. You can think of it as a telephone number. When you register a domain, you are putting the IP address into a public directory, similar to a phone book, and making it easy for people to look up your site. Let's talk a bit about useful domain name tools. There are two websites that will help you find a quality domain name quickly. These are bustedname.com, which shows multiple domain variations based on any keyword, and domize.com, a lightning-fast search tool that finds domains without any ads or distractions. When deciding on a domain name, it's wise to do some research on which keywords and phrases to include as part of your domain. If you want to save hours of time, I recommend a tool called Market Samurai that I use personally, which can quickly tell you which keywords are best to include in your domain, and it also analyzes live search engine data on high-ranking websites in your niche or industry. So with or without tools, let's go over some useful tips for finding a valuable domain name really quickly. So the first, of course, is use shorter names. Shorter names are easy to remember. The ideal is under 10 characters, but this is not a must, and the tools that we talked about can help you with this. Avoid misspellings. Gimmicky tricks like adding Z for plural words, like if you use Z on steals or deals, makes it harder to remember, and use keywords that describe your business. This will help people and search engines know that your website is relevant and what it is about instantly, i.e. Robert Johnson Photography and Production Services should try to use rjphotoservices.com. Includes the descriptive keywords photo and services rather than robertjohnsonproductions.com. Try to avoid dashes. These also make it longer and harder to remember your domain name. Search engines also think of them as lower quality websites and rank these domains lower in the results. And as we talked about earlier in the unit, .com extensions are better for search engines, followed by .org and .net. So let's talk a minute about DreamPress. DreamHost offers customized WordPress managed hosting called DreamPress. It's perfect for middle-of-the-road users who need a little bit more than shared hosting but aren't quite ready for a virtual private server. It includes a one-click install, and installing WordPress on DreamHost is really simple. Simply go to the goodies section on panel and use one-click install, and you can go ahead and have it installed instantly. So let's move into installing a WordPress theme. Installing a WordPress theme is easy, but keep in mind that if you activate a new theme, then it will change how your website looks and functions. If you're switching from an existing theme, make sure that you make a checklist of things that you want to continue on the new theme, so you know where you were and where you're going. Let's talk a minute about installing a theme using the WordPress admin theme search. If you're looking to install a free WordPress theme from the WordPress.org themes directory, then the easiest way is by using a WordPress admin theme search functionality. First thing you need to do is log into your WordPress admin area. Next, click on Appearance and then Themes. Once you are to the Themes page, click the Add New button at the very top. When you see the theme that you want to install, simply bring your mouse on top of the image. This will reveal the Install button, Preview button, and Details button, as you see right there. Go ahead and click on the Install button. This will bring you to the installation page. WordPress will now install your theme and show you a success message along with the link to activate or see a live preview. Go ahead and click Activate, and you've successfully installed and activated your WordPress theme. So let's talk a minute about another way to install. Install a theme by using the upload method from the WordPress admin dashboard. The first method that we covered only really allows you to install free themes that are available in the WordPress.org themes directory. But let's say you want to install a commercial premium WordPress theme from a company like ThemeLab, StudioPress, iThemes, etc. Or what if you want to install a custom theme? Well, in this case, you would need to install the theme by using the upload method from your WordPress admin. Start by downloading the zip file of the theme that you purchased from a marketplace or a commercial theme provider. Next, log into your WordPress admin area and click on Appearance and then Themes. Once you're to the themes page, click Add New at the top. On the next screen, go ahead and click the Upload Theme button at the very top of the screen. You will be prompted to choose the zip file that you downloaded earlier. Go ahead and select the file and then click Install Now. Once your theme is installed, you will see a success message along with the link to activate and preview the theme. Go ahead and click Activate. And now your theme is live. So finally, what we need to discuss in this section is how to configure some basic settings in your blog, such as the title, tagline, time zone, and name. Go ahead and click the Settings tab on the far right, then browse through the available subtabs: General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Privacy, Permalinks, and Miscellaneous. Select the options that you want, and we'll go over a little bit about URL structure a little bit later. As you're configuring your settings, be sure to enable permalinks and allow comments without moderation. Permalinks make your URLs intelligible names that reflect the title of your post, rather than the standard, which is something like $P = 1, 2, 3. Comments also need configuration. By default, comments are set to needing approval before they appear on your site. To configure your settings, do at very least the following. Enable permalinks by going to Settings and then Permalinks. Select the day and name option. If you want to select another option, it's more difficult to set your page URLs. Enable comments to appear immediately by going to Settings and then Discussion. In the Before a Comment Appears section, select only the comment author must fill out name and email checkbox. Set the blog title and tagline by going to Settings and then General. Usually the blog title and tagline automatically appear in your blog's header. Finally, set the correct time zone by going to Settings, General, and selecting the appropriate UTC number in the time zone section. And then that's pretty much ending section 2. In section 3, we will speak about configuring webmaster tools, how to configure Google Analytics, and how to set up your URL structure, as well as competitive link analysis. Thanks for joining us.